Hello, everyone, and welcome to the series of Hall of Fame. Today, I have with me Shruti Acharya, who was able to bring down her weight from 66 to 51.5 kgs with the Navitai program, the Women's Health Mastery program. And I wish to congratulate her on this great journey, as well as wanted to bring her out in front of you so that you can learn from her perspective as well. And who is Shruti? Shruti lives in Hyderabad. She is a mother of three with a large family is what she says. I'll leave it up to Shruti to define what that means. And Shruti, tell us a little bit more about yourself, please.
Apart from being a mother of three, I have a large family with a lot of animals. I take care of a lot of animals, different types of animals. And I had a working life, but now I've decided to stay at home and look after my kids and pay attention to them. And I have the last few years I've been pretty focused on developing my inner self, myself. So this is who I am.
Wonderful, Shruti, wonderful. So you are a nature person, looks like that.
Yes, totally.
Yeah. And nature, what I feel is that nature also gives a lot of inner peace. Does that work with you as well, like that, Shruti?
Definitely. I sit with my animals for almost an hour and more in the day. It's a lovely place for me to spend with my children. It's a lovely place where I can spend quality time with them because it is my favorite subject.
Right.
Nature, flowers. I have a huge garden which I take care of as well. So I have the plants in my garden are like my other babies. The animals that keep having babies in my house, apart from my own babies, they are all, I mean, it's an exciting moment. There's always excitement. There is
Yeah.
always excitement. When babies are born around us, we have had a 10th litter of bunnies recently. So we've had over 80 bunnies. So
Wow.
it's a lovely place for me to connect with people about what I love.
Yes.
And it de-stresses and my passion. It's my passion. And the best thing for me is my house is always filled with children.
Mm-hmm.
It is always filled, and children come with that curiosity, which is so amazing and
Yeah.
it is so pure and fresh. And for me to be able to teach them about animals, my passion, teach them, and they come with these big, wide eyes, saying, "Oh, so this is how it is. How do you know? Oh, so they laid an egg. When is it going to hatch? And why is this color different?" To me, teaching them that or making them more aware of the animals around them and the nature around them is just, I mean, I'm very blessed to be able
Wonderful,
to do that.
Shruti. Wonderful. Great, great. Thank you so much for that lovely explanation. Great. And Shruti, just wanted to understand when you joined the Women's Health Mastery Program, what were the goals with which you joined, and what was going on in your life at that point in time that you decided to join the Women's Health Mastery Program?
Um, at that particular time, I think I was very low. It was a very low point in my life. Physically, I felt unfit. I was not probably my mental space, also headspace, was not in a I was not in a very good headspace at that point. My relationships because of that were um you know not the best that it could have been. I was struggling to be a mother, I was struggling to be a spouse, I was struggling to be a caretaker, I was struggling to find myself as well. Like I had lost my youth, as in the youth in the sense, not my age, but my liveliness, my energy. And I think critical for me was I've struggled every day to get out of bed. I had aches and pains. That was the biggest change for me. And the second thing was, at the same time, my mother was diagnosed of osteoarthritis. And when she was diagnosed of osteoarthritis, it became a concern that it is hereditary, could be hereditary, and I could get it. And I was already having aches and pains, and I married late, had my kids late, and I have still a young family. My kids are still really small, and they need me to be around still. I can't be sitting back and saying somebody else take care of my kids. So it needed my presence to be there for them. And I wanted to be there for them. I want to be able to play frisbee with them. I want to be able to play badminton, tennis with them. I want to go swimming with them and have that energy. But I realized every day I was feeling fatigued, I was angry, I was irritated because I had low energy levels. That messed up my relationship with them, my relationship with my husband, my relationship with my, basically I was an angry person because I didn't know. I was just so tired and my energy levels were so low. So that is where I came, joined Ruma. I joined your program because I just wanted to find more energy. I was feeling depleted.
Mm, I see. I see. So great, great. Thanks so much for sharing. And that is, I think, Shruti, the way you said it, it's probably the story of so many women, right? Because we are trying to juggle so many responsibility. We want to be perfect in everything. We want to be a perfect mother. We want to be a perfect wife, and that zeal for being perfect in everything, and not getting criticized for any of the roles that we play, that can play a havoc on ourselves. So
Yes.
absolutely great. Thank you so much for sharing that. You wanted to get back your energy, you wanted to get back your youth, with which you joined this program. So tell me a little bit about how your journey has been and what you have been able to accomplish in this journey, Shruti.
Um, it's been a wonderful journey, I think, for me, very particularly in a very short time, very short time, I've been able to. The aim was never to lose weight. The aim was only to feel healthier and stronger, energetic. That was my main goal. I mean, weight will come and go. That was on it. And I was able to accomplish this, and a new sense of confidence that I have gotten from this program of how to look after myself has been so immense for me. I mean, I was doing exercises earlier on, I was eating healthier, but what was good for me, I did not know. What was right for me, I did not know. And that is what I discovered joining your program and being a part of it, having a group of people to support me through this uh, journey has been such a, it's been a pillar of support, like I am not alone, and I have you as guidance, has kind of added that I can do this, and I can see so many women suffering. So my pain is not, is just, it's not just my own. And with you having your story and your, experience dealing with so many women and helping so many women has just made me also feel, confident as you in a coach. And the, you know with the ease and the comfort that I felt with you as a coach, like I think for me it was very important that I feel emotionally connected to you as a person to be able to do this journey. Otherwise I would not have done it. And that has been really truly immense for me, immense learning for me. I mean, the fact that I can now look after myself to a certain degree, go back and forth with my, like if there is a concern, I know that I can get back. There's a sense of confidence. My mindset has changed, that I can achieve whatever it is, I can achieve, and that I've derived from this program.
Mhm.
you know Exercise, I know, I mean, this is what exercise have taught me. The small small things lead up to the big things. Before, I think before the mentality is, ye kyun nahi ho raha hai 1 minute mein, why is this not happening today? But from you, with the small small exercises that we started off, now I can do quite strenuous exercises.
Yeah.
And that's the learning, and that's the learning I'm teaching my children. Maybe that everything, it requires chota, like requires, you need to start somewhere, and
Yeah.
those small steps are the ones that make you reach where you are. It's not the big things, and not trying to attempt the big things right at the beginning or the get go. And that confidence has led me, that has helped me succeed.
Wonderful, wonderful. That's so great, and the way you explain it also, and Shruti, that resonates quite well with me, because oftentimes I see people ki, I've given 5 days, nothing is happening, I'm giving it up. See, we just, like I said, long term consistency is better than short term intensity. Nothing happens in 5 days, really. I have been in this for
Yeah.
the last 24 years, right? I'm not asking everybody to do this for 24 years till you get to a certain level. I still have a lot of levels to go, but I know every small step that I take is taking me towards my destination. If I don't do anything about it and I just leave it off, then I'll be where I am or probably regress. So I totally resonate with you, Shruti. And that is such a lovely lesson that you're teaching your children, because there is, as much as this generation is going towards instant gratification, we know it does not work, right? There are smaller habits that will become bigger success. So it is the process, the journey. So lovely, lovely. Thank you for sharing that, Shruti. Now I picked up one thing that you said. You were looking to get more energy. You were looking to get back your youth, which you felt that you had lost. How did that get changed? Did that get impacted as part of your journey?
It not just impacted my journey, it impacted my the people who are fellow journeying with me, as in my family, my relationships, my everything. The way I interact or how I look at the world now is different. I mean, I wake up because I want to wake up. It's not because I have to wake up, which is my language around how I am, how I choose to be. It has all become, you know, I am more aware and I feel more in control of my own life. And that is the energy that I'm talking about. Not just physical energy, definitely physical energy has come around, but this whole other side of me, which is the confidence, which self-esteem, confidence has all come back and given me, and it has helped me change my language, helped me change my thoughts, helped me change my perspective towards things. And that is huge because that also needs to change. So it's impacted me like a domino effect, but really, really nicely in lots of other areas of my life.
As well. Yeah, yeah.
And it has
Amazing.
also impacted the health and the well-being, not just health of my family, but the well-being of my family as well. Because the way I choose to react is how they are going to, my kids are going to look at me as role model. And if I'm going to get irritated every time something goes wrong, then they are also going to learn that behavior. So for me now, being me is a lovely thing, because now I can see my children also acting like me, with a calmer
Amazing.
sense. How wonderful is that?
Right, right.
At
Yeah.
this age, and I have 4, 8, and 10, very impressionable ages, very impressionable ages. So whatever I do, it whatever the parents do, the grandparents do, it's very easily mimicked or copied. And now I can see, like my children doing gymnastics, they are doing exercises every morning, they are
Wow.
waking up early. This is how they've impacted. My husband's taking care of his health. He got onto a
Mm-hmm.
health regimen and a diet as well.
Mm-hmm.
So my mother-in-law also, together as a family, we have lost 40 kgs, Ruma.
Wow. That's huge. That's huge. So your family is also benefiting from this journey of yours, Shruti, and that is so amazing because women hold a lot of power. We don't know. We hold a lot
Yeah.
of power to influence people around us, and you are doing that. You have become a true role model and an inspiration, Shruti.
I don't know whether I am to the rest of the world, but to my children and to my family, they have said it out loud, which
Yeah,
is the biggest. It's more meaningful when it comes, when there are people
yeah,
just right around you who have not seen your worth for such a long time. Ghar ki murgi dal barabar ho jate hain hum log.
right.
This is where they can see now how I have grown in leaps and bounds. And I have had so many comments from my mom-in-law, from my mother and my father, people who have seen me for years, suddenly saying that the way you are talking and way you are speaking, the way you're taking care of yourself, we appreciate it. We are thankful for you for making us see things so much. My
Wow.
children are more grateful. They are more thankful. They are so grateful that I can play with them. And that I'm happy most of the time, not a grouchy mother that I was.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So that's amazing, Shruti. So health benefit apart, you were able to transform yourself as a person as well in a positive way that is being appreciated by people around you. So you're making your family a happier place. When you are happy, you're able to give happiness to others. When we do not have happiness, we'll not be able to give it to others, right? And you are a standing example of that. Great, Shruti. So, that impacted so many different areas of your life. What did you see change in your health? From health wise, what kind of changes did you see through this journey?
Apart from the usual weight loss that I had,
Mm-hmm.
and my energy levels, My thyroid levels went down. My cholesterol levels went down.
Wow.
Um, what else? My hemoglobin's levels went up, which were really good.
Amazing.
Um, Everything is back to normal. Everything is back to normal. I'm an, like I'm not pre-diabetic anymore.
Wow.
My mother's blood pressure went down. My mother-in-law's blood pressure went down. My husband lost, like I said, a lot of weight. So it's not just impacted me. My work has like spread. My work
Amazing.
has spread.
Amazing, amazing. Shruti, as we are having this conversation, off the record, maybe we can discuss. And, you have a lot of potential, Shruti, lot of potential. Your farm that you have within the family, the way you're teaching, you could end up being a coach yourself, We'll
I
talk
really
about
hope
that.
so. I am very passionate about being a coach. In fact, that is one of my I think I've been thinking about doing it,
Okay, great,
becoming a coach.
great. Amazing, amazing. I think we have a wonderful topic to connect on after this as well.
Yeah.
Lovely to find out during this interview. Coming back to topic, I just took you off topic. Coming back to this topic, any challenges that you faced in your journey and any tip you will have for the people who are watching this interview?
Any challenges that I've had? Yeah, I mean, challenges are definitely going to be there. The challenges I think that I've faced is weight not moving down, energy levels on one day going for 2 3 days going super low, and not understanding where it is, but being patient. Being patient that this is not going to last forever. Nothing is permanent.
Hmm, hmm,
That mentality, and that every step I'm making, even now that I can't see what it is doing to me, I know it will eventually lead me. I am trying. And I am going to pat myself on the back for every attempt that I'm making. Even if it is wrong, it's an attempt nevertheless. So I'm not going to discourage myself. I think those were my mindset, like I said, changed. It was not about beating myself up that you're not doing exercise today. Why are you not doing exercise? Why did you mess up on your diet? I never did that to myself. I stopped doing it pretty early on into your program. I pretty early on stopped doing that, and I kept talking to myself, saying, "Today I have eaten my deal of protein. My share of protein. Good job, Shruti." I am not a person who compliments myself. In fact, I will push myself under and say that I'm the most worthless person. That's the kind of person I used to be. I'm a first person to say, "Yeah, I'm a bad person. I'm a bad mother." I would be like that. But not today. Today, I'm not that sort of person who will put myself down. I'm like saying, I've done a good job so far, and I will do better, and I can do better. So that is my attitude change. That attitude change that has happened for me has is very contagious in my family right now.
wonderful. Hey, that is so great. That is so great, and that's such a lovely message for the people who are listening to you as well, Shruti. I hope they understand, because what you said is really, really true. Health is about, people think if I eat the right kind of food, I do the exercise, everything will start happening. It has got a lot to do with mindset. Because of science, diet and exercise works. People have proven it time and again that diet and exercise works, right? And
Yes.
following the right lifestyle works. It works. But where we fail is our mindset, the way we think about ourselves, the way we do not, we do not practice self-love, we do not give importance to ourselves. That is where we fail. It's not,
Yeah.
a program in itself, or it's in itself will not be a failure. But if we are not having the right mindset to deal with it, that is what causes us failure. And you touched
Very
upon it
important
in the
to
point.
how you talk to yourself about it.
Yes.
Very important to see how you talk to yourself, and that's what I've learned. And I realized that my daughter was also talking herself down,
Hmm.
even though she's only 10 years old. But you can imagine. You can see your daughter saying, "This is not okay about me. I don't like this about me." You know,
Hmm. Hmm.
girls say I am too thin. Yeah, the whole idea of external people being able to decide what is right for you and what is wrong for you is in my head it's a new concept. And I mean, my daughter's like, when somebody says she's too thin, she'll go and say, "But I like it."
Mhm.
That confidence of I'm okay as I am. I know where I am. And it's not even like I know where, it's just I know where I am. Thank you.
Right, right, right. Amazing, Shruti. Amazing. Very lovely pieces that you shared. You shared more than health. You shared beyond health. You shared family, relationship, a deep desire for passion and love for people, love for non-humans as well. And you shared a lot about mindset. Thank you so much for that, Shruti. And before we leave, is there one message that you want to share for the people who are listening to you today? One message for them.
Yeah, I think be patient. Be patient with yourself. Be gentle with yourself. I mean, who else in this world deserves your love more? Who else deserves your patience and your kindness more? It can be only you.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Great, Shruti. Thank you for the lovely message. And congratulations once again for hitting the Hall of Fame. My true honor to be working with you and, be a part of your journey. And thanks again for taking the time out for this Hall of Fame interview. And for the audience, if you're watching this, I'm sure you found it very, very inspirational. Like I found this discussion with Shruti inspirational. I have a small action for you. Okay, if you really want to imbibe what Shruti has said and what she has practiced, I will really encourage you to make those notes in the comment box below. There is a reason for that. When you write things down, it starts getting into the inside of you. So if you really want positive changes in your life, in your health, in your relationships, write down what you learned from Shruti today and you will start seeing changes in your life as is. All right, and with that, thank you so much for watching and come back again for the next Hall of Fame interview. Take care. Bye bye.